We are here to inspect the works on this project and many other projects across Nairobi. And as Kura, we are targeting decongesting Nairobi as a whole. So this is not the only project we are doing in Nairobi. We are also doing other projects like Ngong Road. We are doing the Waiyaki Red Hill expansion. We are doing the outer ring projects. Our focus is just to ensure that due to the rapid urbanization, Nairobi is ready to take that kind of population.
Roads, we are looking at them to see what they have achieved so far on the ground, and we have various challenges we have been informed have taken place in the execution of these particular contracts. We have very many diverse issues when it comes to this road construction. There have been delays because of various interest groups, but the work is going on, as you can see, and we are confident that we shall be able to deliver the services required to the Nairobi community.